Aloha here at home in Washington State. Coffee is brewing. Blower is ready to rock and roll. And let's try to turn it on here. Let's see if one pull can do it. There. Okay, one pull did it. And here is a deck full of algae. Yeah, backyard messy. Lots of messy. So, algae, moss. We need to clean it up. Backyard, very sunny, beautiful day here in Washington State. Wish I'm on my ranch in Hawaii, but I'm here now, so time to do spring cleaning. We're gonna clean out the pool, clean up the backyard, and I'll show you guys later on in another video. Thank you and mahalo.